So I think the experience was very nice. The material was very it's very thorough. And you covered a lot of it, through the great presentation that we had. A lot of concepts were very clear, even though that I was using Agile before, but a lot of different new concepts that I learned through the over the period of course of this session. And there's a lot of doubt clearing happening. We did a lot of breakout sessions to kind of interact with the other team members, so that helped a lot. And plus, you are very flexible, where you are kind of very accommodating to have some more time to discuss with us. And plus, we'll probably have more session with you, as a doubt clearing session, I guess. So in the overall, I'm happy, and I'll definitely recommend this course to my friends and my team members.